Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving fast. Open Chrome and check about Chrome to update. Outdated builds cause odd UI labels. Once updated, go to Chrome, //extensions and toggle every extension off. Extensions often alter titles or inject content. Next, create a fresh profile and open the same page. This isolates profile corruption. Make sure to keep notes of signed-in accounts and bookmarks before continuing, because the next steps assume you've identified whether the problem is extensions, the build, or the profile itself. Once done with basic isolation, reset Chrome settings to undo theme or startup scripts that rename windows. That often resolves untitled labels. If that fails, back up the user data directory and inspect the default or profile folders for corrupted local state or preferences files. Replace them from a backup if present. For controlled testing, launch Chrome from a terminal with disable extensions, user data dir equals C \temp\Chrome test to reproduce the issue without affecting your main profile. To finish, uninstall and reinstall Chrome if previous steps didn't fix the title. Remove leftover user data only after backing up bookmarks and passwords, then reinstall the latest build. After reinstall, sign in and restore via Google Sync or import your bookmark. HTML and password export. If issues persist, create a fresh profile and migrate only essential files, bookmarks and exported passwords, to avoid reintroducing corruption. Troubleshooting tip. If the problem continues, test another user account or computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.